What's up, guys? Here we are back again for part 2 of this thing. So, Jim, I don't know what to say. Let's get started.
Let's do it. So today we're going to be working on the 390 FE. Last week we put the cam in and crank in and all the pistons. We're kind of going backwards right now. I used the OEM bolts to put the crank in. I had the ARP studs, but one of the caps required machining, so I had that done since you saw us last, and we're gonna put the studs in and then end up back where we were in part 1 and then continue assembling this thing, putting the cam timing set on, the cam plate, timing cover, oil pump, and hopefully the oil pan, and then flip this bad boy around and start doing some heads. Oh man, I dropped the washer down in there.
What? Oh man.
I got a magnet and all that. I'll be mad off camera.
Sometimes we gotta do a little going backwards to go forward.
I see it. This is gonna be an easy extraction.
Okay. All right, good. And there it is. All right, let's go. Let's get back to.
I'm the operation champion. Alright, so we're torquing these up. Our ultimate torque is going to be 110. We're going to step it up in increments from the inside out, and then we'll be right back to where we left off last week, to ground zero. Here we go.
Love that click, don't you? There's something satisfying about that, no?
Yeah, all these kids talk about the ASMR stuff. You ever hear a click wrench torque? If you've heard a torque wrench click, you just feel that, like, yeah, right there. It's
good. It's good stuff.
It's good stuff. Hey, you want some vice grips?
No, dude. I like to live dangerously. So I'm actually just cleaning up the old bolts for the oil pump. I think we're ready to go. Let's do it.
Better than new.
All right, so this is the oil pump, and all the tutorials say to prime it, which is a really good idea, but we don't know exactly how to do that. So sounds good though. I hear some. Oh, there it is. Actually, you know what? I can find out if it is clockwise.
Yeah, because we know that one side's inlet suction.
All right, well, we're lubed, we're primed. Let's check it out. Coming out the other side.
All right.
So now next.
We're gonna clean up the flanges the best we can.
Oh, all right. And we're gonna use the, as you said earlier,
the ovular gasket.
Oh, ovular gasket, right? Because then this would be the roundular. Okay.
Roundular.
All right, clean this up. Oval gasket. Bolts. Doctor. Scalpel.
Let's see, a 9/16. Let's get that tightened up. Satisfying, huh?
Satisfying,
We're
yes.
building.
Building the life-size Lego set.
All right, here we go. 9/16. Tighten her up. We'll go a little bit over here now. Couldn't find my universal.
Box end. Yeah, tools, man, important.
We're just going
By feel?
snug.
Yeah?
Well,
Is that what the tutorials say?
I can't remember everything.
Okay. All right, cool. Next, let's go.
Okay, I don't think those bolts weren't in the bag. Probably because I bet you our pickup is already
Trashed somewhere.
Yeah, it's probably installed on the other oil pump. But that looks like a size I probably have.
Can't do any talking because Madonna's playing, but let's see if we can do a little videoage.
If you only
Woodruff key, dude. That's brilliant that you remembered that, because they couldn't help us. What's this for?
I don't know. I just need some Woodruff keys.
Shut up.
All right, leaving Ace. We got the stuff we need. Let's keep going.
Hey, look who decided to show up.
Hi.
Hey, and we got a helper. All right, now we're fully staffed, and check out what you guys missed. So, got the oil pump mounted, torqued, the pickup, and now they are racking their brain on something.
installing the cam thrust plate, which holds your camshaft in to the upper timing chain sprocket. Looking at some clearance back here to make sure our bolt's clear, but unfortunately they don't.
Oh shoot, okay.
Another small setback.
Can't you just shave some of the head off?
You know, sometimes you just gotta take a minute and go back and do it right.
Notice we have safety glasses on as well as we have vice grips.
Yes.
Center it a little bit.
How far did I get? Not very far because I'm waiting for that piece. So in the meantime, I'm watching this cool channel called Maniacs Garage.
Oh, I like it. Where do you find it? YouTube. Oh, cool. Yeah, that's from the car show. That just went live right now.
Yeah.
Sweet.
So we found, where did the,
Eccentric though?
yeah, starting over.
Start over right here, Connor.
Yeah. So we cleaned up the fuel pump eccentric, which normally goes on here, but we go on to put it on. We got the pin sticking out, it lines up, but the bolt hole doesn't line up. So for some reason, this camshaft is slightly different than the factory one, and it doesn't line up. So Gabe, the young guy of the group, said, well, why don't we just put a hole offset on the washer we found?
Well, because this washer I had made for an old YJ that I had, and the floor was rotten out, and I used this as a reinforcement under and over the floor.
That washer?
Yeah, I had a guy.
YJ, that's a Jeep.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
okay.
think that's
The
it's
square
thick.
headlight.
Because they're, you know, YZs and.
No.
And so the reason that Gabe is, you know, so eager to just do something like that is because he hasn't run into a bunch of Kents in his life yet.
Yeah.
So he's like, hey, why can't we just drill this? Right?
Yeah.
Brilliant.
So we're doing a center punch here. The center punch, cool fact is I made it in high school in machine shop. Yeah.
It's a little like slide hammer center punch. That's pretty cool.
Do we care? Oh, whoa! I missed it.
I think that's pretty cool.
Oh, that is kind of cool,
The
actually.
new school ones have like a spring in them. You push down and it
Yeah.
ends, but
I mean, I
there's
made
like
that.
not much force. That's
You
got
made that in high school?
It's got some good force behind it.
You're pretty good, Jim. And then it's clamped securely into the vise.
You know what?
And then we take it.
I have a C clamp. I can clamp it right there.
Use the vice grip.
Dang, you, Gabe.
Oh man! Hey, look at that! All right.
Oh, it walked. Shoot.
Your mom went to the show.
Yeah.
Nice.
Cool.
Food for us when we're building the 49. If you guys go back in some of the videos, you see that.
So many people when they drill, they just want to go for it, you know? They just want to kind of get in there nicely.
Slow and low. That is the tempo.
Get some nice chips going. Whoa.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. If you'd like to support our channel, go to our website at maniacsgarage.com and check out the merch we have. We have t-shirts, hats, decals, we even have a backpack. Don't forget to leave us a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed. Now let's get back to this video.
Whoa. Oh, yeah.
Whoa! What happened?
It's my impact. I'm not actually using a drill.
It scared me. And you. Apparently.
Yeah.
Hey Gabe, so where did you go to mechanic school?
Nowhere.
His dad's garage.
You're gonna do all right. Not you, him. Bro, so which one's top dead center?
After doing this a couple times, we're looking at this one thinking driver's side, but no, it's passenger side.
And it's upside down, so you gotta bring this to top dead center.
Right. Which should bring.
Nope, that went back right there, so. Yeah, it's still coming.
Right there.
Right there. Start assembling this.
Our key is going to be lined up with our dot, so we have one nice line through the center of this shaft. through the
Oh,
center
I'm looking
of
at
the
this
keyway,
key instead of that key.
through the center of the camshaft, through the center of the pin.
Bro, you gotta stop looking.
I got it. Well, you know,
We're learning.
All right, so timing chain
Oh, you got
is gonna go on.
this is the key we need.
That's the key to all things, right there. Mo.
You're into the shaft.
I said more, not move. It's okay, you're fine right there.
It's just off a little bit.
I didn't move that time.
So tedious. So tedious. Now I know why. Now I know why I never got into this. I don't have the bandwidth, or the not the bandwidth, but patience.
Okay.
Again, sometimes you have to take a couple steps back to take one step forward. All right, boys, ready to go. Let's go. We're gonna make a
do it. I just gotta
good step forward now, finally. All right, so everything's lined up, top dead center. You gotta do this at the same time so that you're able to slide together. Critical stuff right here. Cams lined up, boys?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah. Does it look like that pin's gonna line up?
I know the crank's good, but the cam's good, yeah? Yeah, they said yeah. Okay. Oh. Look at that, necessity, the mother of all invention, or something.
Wood?
Yeah.
There it goes.
What if this doesn't come off now? Oh, good. It still does. Okay, good.
Yeah, that's a good check though.
That doesn't go on yet.
It is a little crooked.
Oh, heck no.
Ooh, yeah. That's not good.
That's not good.
What now, gents?
That's a good question.
If we got any parts.
Woo! Look at that, guys. We got it on there.
Timing chain is set.
Lines up and everything.
Yeah.
Cool, man. So next, what are we gonna do here?
Next, we are going to install the timing chain cover. Bye, John. Quitter. All right, what came, dude? What came? What came? We got mail?
Yeah, we got mail. We got mail, and I think it's right where we're at.
Think it's right where we're at?
Oh, no!
Oh.
U-joints. For the car that's at interior. Wah, wah, wah.
So all the packages you get in the mail are car parts too?
Yes.
That's what happens at my house. So we are installing the crankshaft seal into the timing chain cover. And we've got a little ultra black here.
That we're gonna do here.
But now we got to install this seal in there. Seal is installed. It was not as easy as we had hoped, but it's there. Now we're going to do a little ultra black all the way around the sealing surface of the timing chain cover.
Okay, so we got the timing cover on, got our oil pan mounted up. Of course, we did it with it flipped over. It was much easier that way. Now we're about to stack the heads on. We got the heads all cleaned up over here. Got all the mating surfaces clean. Use a little compressed air to blow out all the dust that might have settled, and then likewise clean the mating surfaces on the block. Got the gaskets in place the proper way, and we're going to stack the heads now.
All right, heads are installed, and we think it's time to call it a day.
Yeah, it's getting a little warm actually here in southern Arizona today, and that's not the reason we're quitting at all. But yeah, it's time to wrap it up for the day. Time to get some cleanup done. Got more chores to do. So we had a good day with the timing cover installation, oil pump, pan, heads, and pretty successful. We're really excited. We'll show you some cool parts in the next one. We got the Edelbrock carburetor as long as the Edelbrock intake. We're getting excited. If you like what you're seeing here, please remember to like and subscribe.